Once upon a time, in a soft green meadow, there lived a little bird who dreamed of flying high above the trees. Each day, she watched her mother soar gracefully through the blue sky. Her wings glimmering in the sun, the little bird would chirp with joy. But deep down, she felt a flutter of worry. Would she ever find the courage to leave the safety of her nest? One gentle morning, as the sun peeked over the horizon, the little bird gazed up at her mother, who perched nearby. "You have the heart of a great flyer," Mother Bird said softly, her voice like a warm summer breeze. "Just spread your wings and let the wind carry you." The little bird took a deep breath, feeling the gentle stirrings of the strong wind wrapping around her like a comforting hug. With trembling wings, she climbed to the edge of her cozy nest, peering out at the vast expanse of the sky. With a brave heart and a hopeful chirp, she spread her wings wide and leapt into the air. The moment she lifted off, the strong wind caught her, lifting her higher and higher until the meadow below looked like a beautiful patchwork quilt. The little bird felt a rush of joy and freedom swirling around her as she twirled and glided through the azure sky, the clouds tickling her feathers. Soon she soared alongside her mother, who beamed with pride, guiding her through the air. Together, they danced among the clouds, and the little bird realized that flying was not just about leaving the nest. It was about embracing who she truly was. As the golden sun began to set, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, the little bird flew back to her nest, her heart full of happiness and wonder. Snuggling close to her mother, she let out a soft, contented chirp, knowing that she had taken her first flight. The little bird closed her eyes, wrapped in the warmth of her mother's love and the sweet breeze that whispered of new adventures to come. And as the stars began to twinkle in the night sky, she drifted off to sleep, dreaming of the many flights yet to soar.